situation, or like you? Do you wake up, phone is at 100%. Then you go through your day, it is now bedtime, and your phone is at 5%. So you plug it in overnight. I am here to tell you why this is dangerous. Will it explode? No. Worse. And I will elaborate. Your phone only requires 1 to 2 hours to recharge. So when it is left plugged in overnight, it actually is longer than 2 hours. Why is this dangerous? Well, like I said before, your phone at night fluctuates between 100% and 99% battery charge. This leads to the battery overheating. What this does to the battery is that the battery charge capacity decreases over time. This is why it is dangerous to leave your phone plugged in overnight and why you should unplug it. This has been Gabriel Murillo, signing off.
What's this? An email? From veryrealnigerianprince@gmail.com. Dear friend, hello. I am the son of the deposed king of Nigeria. My dad ran the country and I need your help, but you need to act fast. Just send me your credit card number, the 3 numbers on the back, and the expiration month and year. If you don't act now, it will too late for my country. Very much thanks, Nigerian prince. Wait. This is a phishing email. There are many ways you can tell this is a phishing email, but here are just 3 ways that you can tell. First, this email, veryrealnigerianprince@gmail.com, does not sound like an official email from Nigeria. Second, any email that straight up asks you for your credit card number, the 3 numbers on the back, and the expiration month and year, in addition to any personal information like your security card number or your bank account number, is a phishing email. Do not give out your personal information. Additionally, the way they address you with a generic opening, dear friend, and the way they close with, very much thanks, Nigerian prince, goes to show that it's a phishing email, because it's very generic. Of course, many phishing emails are not this blatant, but it helps to show that phishing emails do exist. And you should be very careful.
Time for bed. Oh man, that blue light almost got me. Did you know that the blue light from your technological devices can interfere with melatonin production in your brain, which is a hormone essential for going to sleep? Don't use your devices right before going to sleep. Also, just cut down on technology use in general. People use technology a lot nowadays, and I'm sure you do too. So use it less. There are multiple strategies for using your devices less, such as uninstalling apps that you spend a lot of time on. Another strategy, just don't open your phone. Or setting an amount of time for yourself that you allow yourself to use your device each day.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams.